In this video we're going to look at the StairDesigner interface, and in particular the various menu bars that are available to use. So you can perform many of the functions with more than one of the menus that are available. We've got the menu at the top, this toolbar menu as well, properties over on the right hand side, and you can right click to access various options using the mouse. So let's take an example and add an extra flight. I'm going to go to the Modify menu at the top, click on Add a Flight. It's set up to rotate to the right through 90 degrees. Let's click OK. I'm going to undo that now, and instead of using that top menu, we can just click right and access here Add a Flight and do exactly the same. In fact, for this option we've chosen, and also for Add a Landing, there's an extra quick access button over here to do those two things as well. When we're building a stair and no specific part is selected, over in the Properties menu we can see the general properties of the stair. We can also click here in the plan view on a specific element in the stair. Here's the newel post, let's click on that. Now we can see the properties of the newel post over in the Properties menu. Let's click outside that. We've also got a useful display feature over here. It's this mode window. This allows us to select a specific part of the stair, so it's easier to select and then display its properties and edit those. It's on all at the moment, so all of the stair is displayed in this 2D view. If I click the drop down, we can just select the stairwell and edit elements of that. The steps, for example, we can just select the steps. It's really useful for doing something like selecting string boards when they're hidden in this view behind or below the handrails. So now we can easily select this string board and go into the Properties menu here and edit it if we want to. Okay, let's click outside that, put it back to all, and the final thing I want to show you is the 3D view. I'm going to right click on that tab and select New Vertical Tab Group so we can see the 2D and the 3D plan. So finally we can also select, we can see as we hover over each part of the stair it lights up in green. We can select each component here in the 3D as well. So I'm going to go over here and select this string board. The properties have now shown up and we can edit it directly again in the Properties menu. It's curved at the moment, let's make it straight. So we've got a nice range of ways there to select and then modify the parts of your stair. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.